The Maverick is keeping a very close eye on the proposals submitted by the Intersecondary School Sports Association, ISA, to the government to have a limited amount of fully vaccinated fans attend boys and girls champs this year. My real curiosity, though, is to see what the government response will be. We heard ISA President Keith Wellington explain the detailed, meticulous, and flexible nature of the proposals as they await the response of the government. Champs will be coming up in early April, weeks away. And we can tell you that if ISA and Champs are granted the permission to host vaccinated spectators, while World Cup football is being played to empty stands, it would only confirm what a lot of us suspect, that something is radically wrong somewhere between the government and the sport of football in Jamaica. I mean, ISA is at the proposal stage. Football already put 5,000 fully vaccinated people inside the stadium for the USA game, incident-free. Now, if after all of that, football remains on lockdown and Champs get the green light, then that would be all we need to know. Thank you.